There's a special place in heaven. I can close my eyes and see, where there are no earthly struggles, and the soul there is set free, where deaf and dumb are shouting, 'cause the blind can finally see. Those crippled legs are dancing out across that crystal sea. There's a special place in heaven where the unborn babies play, and they're rocked in arms of mamas whose chance had slipped away. Oh, the unwanted children can say my daddy, he's a king. There'll be smiles on all their faces as they run around and sing. Don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home? Where the Son of God is reigning, and the tears are finally gone. Well, don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home? Darkness there is overtaken by the light that's always on. Price of heaven is expensive. Don't you worry about the cost. It was paid in full by Jesus when he hung upon that cross. All the things that he promised will be there just like he said, as an eternal reminder of the precious blood he shed. Don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home? Where the Son of God is reigning, and the tears are finally gone. Don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home? is overtaken by the light that's always on. Darkness there is overtaken